I am out kayaking on the lake again. I am freaking loving this. Being so far from the beach, in the middle of the lake. This is awesome. It's great exercise, and I splurged today and bought myself a $30 inflatable Walmart boat. So probably the next time I come, I'll be able to bring it out and I'll have my own boat and can come out on the lake any time that I want on the boat. So I can't wait for that. When I get home, I'm gonna get a fishing license so that I can do fishing. There's no fish here, I don't think, or not much for fish, but even just doing it, right? Like even just being out and, you know, something to do. I don't eat fish anyways. It would be catch and release, but I think it'd be fun. I think it'd be cool. I think it'd be fun to just experiment with. This is just so peaceful and relaxing. I'm gonna paddle a little bit further away from people and go smoke some pot because I brought it with me. So here I am out on the kayak. If you see here, you see a trailer in the trees, an RV. That's the campsites, where the campsites are. And they go all the way around there. And my campsite is actually very close to that, where that RV is. And the beach is over there. Way over there. And oops. And I am way over here. Loving life out on the lake in the kayak. This is